Hey guys, welcome to Cook with Nancy. I'm so excited to show you guys my 6 different flavors of ice cream today. This has no sugar, no dairy, and no ice cream machine needed. This is super easy to make, very clean ingredients, the ones you find it at home every single day. Let's get started with this recipe, but don't forget to subscribe below for the upcoming videos. Here I have 2 large bananas. Basically what I have done, my bananas were so ripe, it turned so black. I actually cut them into small pieces and froze them overnight. Now I'm going to blend them until it's nice and smooth, scrape down the sides as necessary. Now once this is nice and creamy, as I will show you right now, once it is nice and creamy like that, we are going to add the second ingredient. Here I have a strawberry that is also frozen. I'm going to blend them until it's nice and smooth and creamy, so there is no lumps. If you want to scrape them, just scrape down in between. Now as you can see, it's nice and creamy. Now here I have a bread loaf pan. I've placed that in the freezer for a while. Now I'm going to add the strawberry and just scrape it to the side and then cover it with the cling wrap and put it in the freezer while we prepare the second ice cream. Here I have banana again, 2 large banana, 1 tablespoon cocoa powder and 4 Oreo cookies of chocolate cookies, and I'm going to blend them again until it's nice and smooth and creamy. Now as you can see, it's nice and creamy. Again I'm going to remove the loaf pan from the freezer, put the chocolate ice cream right now and set it in the corner on one side and cover it, and again freeze it while we prepare the next one. 2 large bananas again, half a cup of mango puree or a fresh mango as well. Go ahead and blend them until nice and smooth and creamy. So basically we are using a banana as a base, so make sure your banana is really ripe banana that you froze overnight. Otherwise it won't be that sweet. So the basic idea here, we don't want to use the sugar, so make sure your banana is super ripe, that way it is nice and sweet. Mango ice cream is ready. Now I'm going to just push the chocolate ice cream a little further inside, put the mango ice cream. Now double wrap them and cover it tight. Put it in the freezer at least 3 to 4 hours until it's nice and set. You can keep it overnight as well. That shouldn't be a problem at all. The next ice cream is 2 large bananas again, and here I have 1/3 of a cup toasted coconut. So what I have done, I took the coconut flakes and toasted them on a medium heat until it's nice and golden brown. Now I'm going to add that and save little for the garnish. 2 tablespoons of coconut cream or coconut milk. If you don't want any kind of coconut cream or milk, you can use 2 tablespoons water. Now go ahead and blend them smooth and creamy again. Now again, next loaf pan, I'm adding the toasted coconut banana ice cream, and again make sure your pan was in the freezer at least an hour before you start preparing the ice cream. Now garnish with some toasted coconut on top, cover it and freeze it while we prepare the next one. Here I have 2 large bananas again, 2 tablespoons fresh mint leaves. If you don't want to use mint leaves, you can use mint essential oil. And here I have 1 teaspoon of spirulina. If you don't have that, you can use spinach for the color. Now blend them smooth and add 1 tablespoon chocolate chip and blend them again. And once that is done, I'm going to push this ice cream a little further inside and then make some space for the ice cream that we just prepared, this mint chocolate ice cream. Now again cover it, freeze it as usual. Now the next ice cream, here 2 bananas, 1/3 of a cup frozen blueberries and 2 tablespoons coconut cream or coconut milk. Blend them until it's smooth. Now again I'm gonna make some space and add the blueberry ice cream and cover it, double wrap it and cover it tight so that way the ice doesn't form right on top of the ice cream. Now you can freeze it over 3 hours and serve it right away, or overnight is good as well. If you want to serve after overnight, just remove it at least 10 minutes before you serve the ice cream. Now my ice cream cup is also really cold. I put it in the freezer for 10 minutes. Now I'm going to just serve the ice cream. You can actually serve this as a swirl ice cream, like different colors together, or individual ice cream. Either way it works great. The kids would love the color combination, and also this is super delicious, super healthy. You don't even have to add sugar. Your kids can enjoy as much as they want, guilt free completely. Here I'm adding some walnuts because it's a banana base. Walnut goes great with the banana, so as per your choice, you can add any kind of topping you want. And look at this creaminess. There is no difference between this ice cream and the ice cream the store-bought ice cream basically. It's super creamy, it's super delicious, and yet it is super healthy. That's the difference that between homemade and the store-bought. I hope you enjoy watching the video. If you have any questions, let me know, and I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care guys. Bye.